السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respective audience, today also I am going to explain about the barrier which have mentioned in the last classes. Allah has said in the glorious Quran, Surah Rahman, between two seas, salt and sweet, there is a barrier. In another place, Allah has said, وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ حَاجِزًا, and made a separating barrier between two bodies of flowing water. And another place, Allah has said, وهو الذي مرج البحرين هذا عذب فرات وهذا ملح أجاج وجعل بينهما برزخا وحجرا محجورا. It is He who let free the two bodies of flowing water. One is palatable and sweet, and other is salty and bitter. Yet has He made a barrier between them and a partition that is forbidden to be passed. The early commentator of glorious Quran became silent about this barrier because of there was not such facility to discover like this unseen barrier. Even though they said there is something, it is not to spoil two waters. Nowadays, the modern science discovered by help of the satellite that where different water meet, there is a barrier. This barrier divides two seas. Each sea, sweet and salt, it has its own temperature, salinity and density. Oceanologists now in a better position to explain this verses of glorious Quran. They are saying now there is a slanted unseen barrier between two seas through which one sea is passing to other. But when the water from one sea enters to other sea, it loses its distinctive characteristic and become homogenized with other water. These scientific phenomenon mentioned in the glorious Quran, this same phenomenon was also confirmed by Dr. William Hay, who is well-known marine scientist and professor of biological science at University of Colorado, USA. This phenomenon occurs in several places, including divider between Mediterranean and Atlantic Ocean at Gibraltar. Like this, many signs Allah has said in the glorious Quran. Allah is saying you have to study, think and research. Many places. In the last class, I have said Allah has said more than 700 places to think and research. Allah is always inspiring us to research. It is why we have to study and research more and more about the glorious Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.